Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yezbak Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my Roxx earrings. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings are round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, wire cutters, 6 inches of 22 gauge wire. This is a blue iris coated druzy agate slice. It's top hole drilled. A blue iris coated druzy 20 millimeter lentil and an ear wire. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search Roxx Earrings. We are going to start by cutting a 6-inch length of 22 gauge wire. We're going to pick up our blue iris coated druzy, and we're just going to string that through right about there, and then we're going to bend this wire all the way over, and we're going to bend this wire all the way over. We're going to try to get them as close to the stone as possible, and then we're just going to eyeball it. We want to find the middle of the long wire, and then we're going to take our round nose pliers right at the end, and we're going to bend that wire up. So now we're going to take the short end of the wire, and we are just going to wrap it around one time. We want the druzy lentil to sit as close to the earring as possible. So now we're going to take our wire cutters. We're just going to trim that little end, come back in, and we're just tucking this wire down. And then we're going to straighten out the wire. We're going to pick up our blue iris coated druzy. And we're going to string that down. And now we are going to form a wrapped loop. And we want the loop going this way because the ear wire connects this way. So we're going to turn it to the side. We're going to pick up our round nose pliers. And we're going to bend the wire back. Move the pliers up. Bend the wire towards us, move the pliers to the side. Oops, turn that around. Bend the wire back, and then we're going to flip hands, and I'm just moving that so it looks like a perfect circle. And you can either wrap it with your fingers. Since the wire is long, we can do that, or you can grab your chain nose pliers, and we are going to wrap 1, 2, 3. We're going to come back in with our wire cutters, trim that little end. We're going to flatten out and straighten our loop, and then of course we want to tuck this wire down so there's no sharp ends, and then you come back in, straighten it out, and there is the base of our earring. These druzy nuggets are kind of cool. You have one finish on one side and then a bluer finish on the other side. So you can either leave it this way, or you can just take it and form a slight twist. Grab it up here at the top and then it's on the dark blue side of the stone. Lastly, we need to connect our ear wire. So this is how you open and close an ear wire. You never pull it. So we're just going to bring that up, connect the earring, grab it, and close it. And these earrings may look heavy, but they're actually surprisingly light. And I think they're perfect for the upcoming holiday season. And there you have it, how to create my Roxx earrings. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Click the little bell so you will receive notifications on when we post new videos. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. Each week, Howcraft adds new beads to the website, which is amazing because we all love new beads. And each week they feature a fabulous sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.